I didn't think I'd be making this video. 100 subscribers. Holy crap. Thank you everybody who subscribed and actually watches all these videos. I'm so stoked. I can't believe that I've actually hit 100 subs before, well, right around when summer vacation hit. That was kind of a little mini personal goal of mine, was to try to hit 100 before summer vacation happened. And I mean, wow. I mean, that's really cool. I'm so glad you guys are appreciating the videos and want to see more. And I am going to be working on that. I've just finished recording 2 videos that will be edited and going up in a little bit. I'm trying to get myself a better schedule and whatnot, but right now I'm just heading out to do a little bit of fishing because it came to my attention that this house is no longer occupied, and therefore its pond is ripe for fishing. Now let's see. Alley-oop. This is why you get the Svartpilen over the Vitpilen. Oh, it's being able to go off-road like this. Alright, let's turn myself around here. Okay, and let's see. Park right about here under the trees. Hiya! Whew! Love it. Seems I'm not the only one who had this idea. So yeah, anyways, I just wanted to take a minute to say, I mean, thank you, everybody. I mean, it's really kind of cool, getting to just being able to do something, having this little personal project and whatnot. And I really do appreciate it. And I can't wait to show you guys more stuff. I don't really know if I'm going to do anything related to fishing. I don't know. We'll see. This was just going to be a little thank you video. So, thank you. And have a good one.